Damien.
Are you pulling my piss, Damien? 1 million?
1 million.
Damien!
By royal decree.
I'm not sure this is entirely your field.
Stranger things have happened.
On here, boys.
You need to be quicker than that. Bless me, Father, for I have sinned.
How long since your last confession?
Just 2 days, Father.
Go on.
I murdered a man.
10 Hail Marys.
Father, I shot a man for money. I know it was necessary, but the first commandment...
15.
15.
My son, you are forgiven. Your work is necessary. Your methods, your own. Consider your soul clean and righteous.
Father, if a man were to endanger royalty, how would penance be paid?
Pray 1,000 Hail Marys, and it will surely become clear. Adhere to this verse, and may the Lord go with you.
Look at them. They fucking loves it, they do, chasing that little rabbit.
You know they're drugged up to make him race, don't you?
No, it's just animal athletics.
Animal cruelty.
You're telling me athletes train all their lives and don't like running?
We've had this argument 100 times. Are you having a bet?
I'd like to win, please. Who's the front runner?
I'll be Baker Street.
What sort of return am I looking at for 1,000?
241.
Thanking you, young man.
Chips involved, and we were passing around the shit, and there was so I was down.
You seem a few pennies short of a pound.
Well, you seem like a bit of a fucking cunt. What's this?
I'm not quite sure you understand the rules of this game.
Oh, you've been taken for a ride yet? No, I'm telling you now. Oh, come on, mate. I'm telling you, I don't think... Seriously, I don't...
Father, Lord, please guide me as I...
Thank you all for coming. It's
One
time
exit
we
behind
took
him.
that fucking lunatic down.
3 long years this fucking dunce has shat all over us and taken when he should have been giving.
Go fuck yourself!
Obviously, he's not a fan.
We've become too focused on
Shouldn't be
petty
too hard to get him
squabbling
riled up.
in this dog-eat-dog world of ours.
Let's have a
Continuing
dog on
in
him.
this way will just cause bloodshed from both sides.
Too unpredictable.
But if we work together,
I need a
if we
diversion.
share this burden, then we can find a way to make this work.
Fuck it. Disappear.
What? Bicycle?
Turns out maybe this is my field after all.
Your hands are unusually delicate.
Quiet, you.
And you?
Put his paws back down on the fucking ground, now.
I've heard of you two. I know you're doing this for money.
Put the fucking dog down, now.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Be careful. Guns aren't toys, you know. They have a habit of just going off.
If this goes off, it's because I want it to. That man can still pay penance for his sins, and you don't get to be the judge of that.
You kill an innocent animal over this creature.
Tie them up.
Come on! What's the best possible outcome here?